Welcome back to another bright, beautiful fall day here on the channel. We're off on another adventure driving through Ohio again. We're heading up here to the machine shop that Noah just bought a bunch of equipment at. I filmed hauling all of that out. You guys may or may not see this video first, or you'll see that video first, I don't know. Anyway, today's auction day. They're selling a bunch more equipment. Noah bought all of the line shaft equipment as a package deal, but they have a good bit more machining stuff there that's going up for auction today, so I was going to wander down and see if we can find anything for a good price, or just kind of gauge and see what things are going for. So I'll try to record a bit as the auction's going on and give you guys a little bit more insight on the machines they got down here. So we'll scoot on down the road here, and next time you guys see me, we should be rolling up at the machine shop. Alright, y'all made it down here to the big shindig. This ought to look familiar.
Tools here, give it $2. Give it $1 bill. $1, give $1 bill, $1, give $1, give $1 bill, give $1 bill. 5.5. So $500 your way. Number 9. On this pallet jack, give me $10 for it. 5, 10, 5 down on the pallet jack. I got 5, now 10, 5, now 10, 5, now 5, now 10, 5, now 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, now 15, 10, now 15, now 10 here. 300 tons. It'll be a half-inch plate to 9.
No. They all go together, right? All the dies go together, right? Dies.
Sell machine, sell the dies. Sell machine, sell dies.
Sell machine first? Yes.
That's one you guys will pick up.
Alright, we're all serious. How many money again? 3,000. $1,000. 500. We get it, guys.
I'll go 5.
5, 6. 5, now 6. I got 500 now 600 now 5 now 6. 5 and a half now 6. 650. Now 650. 650. 625. Sold. $600 number 19, right?
Okay, sell the dies.
Sell the dies.
All the dies?
Yes. Yes.
Everything
All the dies. $50. 75, 59, 75, 59, 75, 59, 75. Oh, 59, 75. Now we're going.
Quarter now, half. 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 375, 375, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a half, so 4 and a quarter. 75. 175, 200, sir. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter now, half. 2 and a half. If you get down 2 and a half, sold out 2 and a quarter. Number 9, that's correct. Right. Number 9, Roger. I think they're sticking off. All right, go down to this next one. Another lathe down here. What do you want to give on it? Somebody give 500, start the bid. 500, now 500, bid now 500, now 500, now 500, now 500, now 500, now 500, now 500. All right, back here, look on the back here. We have 1.5 and even 1.5 and even 1.5, 1.5 and even 1.5. 1.5 and even 1.5 and even 1.5 on this piece right here. 1.5, 1.25, 1.25, 1.25, 1.25.
Yeah.
A quarter now, half, and do 1.5. You back in, back and a half, and 1.5, now 175.
Yep.
175, 200 to me, a little bit now 2, 2, a little bit now 2, now quarter, 2.25, a little bit now 2.25, a little bit now 2.25, a little bit now 2.25. Yes or no, gonna go? Sold, $200 on 9. All right, back over now, half, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, anybody else 2.5? Go up to the quarter on 9. Quarter, now half, 2.5, 275. 275, and now 275. 2.5, out the door, sold. Number 9. Okay, there's a little bit of stuff down this back wall. We got that truck topper. Somebody get $50 for it. 25 on the topper. 25, you get 10. 10, 10, a little bit now 10, a little bit on 10. Put a roof on it or put it over the top of the post.
All right, first look at the new purchase here. Can't believe I picked up this bad boy for $200. Seems like everything works except for the power feed on the table. Obviously I had it plugged in and whatnot, but it's got something going on with the switch and motor here, but either way, for $200 you can't beat it. So I'll have to come back in a couple weeks, get her cleaned up, and looking good. I was trying to buy this lathe also, but it actually ended up being the most expensive lathe here. It went for $375. Probably the most expensive because it's the smallest and has all your chucks and everything. But, oh well. There'll be more opportunities. So, this here is where Noah's massive lathe was hanging out. Then over here is where the planer was. The horizontal mill was back there. And the big mechanical press was down at the end of this row of the lathes here. I also bought this little golf cart. I don't know why, but it was 20 bucks and it was cheap, so we'll do something with it, I guess. Let's see. Roll. It's kind of what we try to roll. All right, here's our little three-wheeled golf cart out in the sunlight. I don't know. It was 20 bucks. It's kind of cool. Got big electric motor and a rear end under it, so I don't know. Not the worst 20 bucks I spent. It's a little prototype vehicle they were making here at the shop back in the day, but I guess they never got much traction with it. But a little piece of history to go with the shop. Alright, this is a wrap on today's portion of the auction. Wrapping up, getting closed out. We'll come back in a few days and pick up our Bridgeport mill. Have to bring some different equipment for that. But it should be pretty easy, so we'll just catch y'all back here in a few days. Okay, y'all, we made it home with the first little bit. We'll go fire up our little Kubota and fork that guy off and get it put away for now. Just got to snag the last couple parts of this golf cart out of here. Here's the backrest. Today's the day we're going to go pick up the Bridgeport mill. Just got to load up the backhoe on the trailer and we'll get moving down the road. Alright, all loaded up. An hour and a half later we'll be at the machine shop. Alright, made it back down here. Got our Amish help. So like I said, we made the hour-and-a-half trek from home down back here to Portsmouth to pick up our $200 auction win. So we got Jason's M59 Kubota. Fork should be able to just walk right in and scoop this thing up. We just have to disconnect power. It's got 120 volt control power plus 3-phase running to it. Alright y'all, came in here playing in the rain. Got all of our power disconnected, confirmed 0 voltage. So we'll just pull off the conduit and pick it up. Alright, got the mill all unhooked, ready to move. Here comes in the heavy muscle. You're good. Yeah, go and straighten up for a little bit. You're good over there. Just keep come straight at me for a minute. Yep, you're good. All right. Yeah. You're clear of it. Try going, turn your lights on for a sec. Oh, well. Curl back a hair. All right, now try going straight up. Curl back some more. Hold on a sec. All right, curl some more. All right, now try going straight up. All right, look. Let me see. Go forward a hair. All right, go ahead and go straight back. Awesome lighting we got working in here. You're backing into a corner over there a little bit. You can start swinging all the way. You got room to come forward and shimmy if you want, because you're going into the garage door. Yeah, all right. Just set it down, then cut your tires and pick it back up. Huh. Oh, here. If you hold that trajectory, you're good. Just keep going. All right, straighten up your wheel. You're good. While it's still on the concrete, well, like once you get out here to the edge, maybe we'll sit it down and get sucked in on your forks there. You got 2 inches, 3 inches. I go ahead and set it down there. Hold that. Come just a hair more forward. All right, hold that. All right, go ahead and pick it up and see what she like. Yeah. Probably like here-ish. Then we'll just straddle your forks with it when you pull back up on. All right. Mill made it on the trailer. Tractor on the trailer. Super Duty's not even really squatting. Get chained down and get home. All right, just got her all chained down. A couple strains and strap on the mill. Tractor's got all four corners and a couple straps. Let's go home. See you later, Portsmouth. All right, we're sitting at home here. It's dark now. It's almost 9 o'clock, but we made it home with the mill. I may shoot some video of unloading this tomorrow, but she's home. Everything made it in one piece. We got our little machinist toolbox and a bunch of tooling with it. But, yep. Fall is officially here in West Virginia. The good weather's gone, so... Oh well, like I said, we'll come back tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice and dry. We'll get some video unloading this thing. This thing has so much grease on it, it needed power washed off anyways, so I don't think this little sprinkler we're getting tonight is going to hurt it at all. I'll hit it with the leaf blower and dry it off tomorrow before I leave for work, but she'll be just fine. It's got such a heavy coating of oil on everything, it'll be a-okay. Alright, it's the next day. I'm getting ready to head to work. Here's a look at our load, since we weren't able to really see it in the dark last night. Made it home. Like I said, we put a trash bag over the head. The rest of it had so much oil in it, I think it'll be fine, but got the leaf blower, so I'll knock off the residual water real quick, and then maybe if I get home from work in time this evening, we can work on getting it unloaded. Otherwise, we'll catch you then. Okay, y'all, it's about 5 o'clock. We just got home from work. Unfortunately, I need to go clean out the spot where this is going to end up at. And we're losing daylight fast here, so I don't know how much video I'll be able to get unloading this, but I'll be sure to bring you along what I can. Alright, we're on the tractor now. Now the slightly sketchy part is we're going to go on a little bit of a hill here. Alright, let's get rolling here. Sorry, I had to put y'all down for a minute. I needed both hands for getting through that steep part back there. It was a little sketchy, but we made it work. So hopefully now only one more steep section going into the shipping container shop. So hopefully we'll make it through that all right. So we've kind of got a little bit of a downhill swooping right turn into the shop down there. We made it around that turn just fine. Just easing down the hill. So, oh, caught the edge of the container there a little bit. No biggie. Definitely running into some height issues here. Y'all, how cool is that? My very own Bridgeport made it home. And it's temporary home until I get my garage built at least. But who knows, maybe we'll run some power out to her and get her playing in the meantime. But yeah, she made it home. Go ahead and pull the trash bag off the head. There we go. Get a little better look at her. We spun the head down to move it so we could have room to get our forks in and out. I'll spin the head back up, get some oil put in her. I'll probably put the trash bag back on it, at least while it's in storage, so it's not getting dust down in it. But yeah, here we go. She's home. Super excited. Except very impressed with how tight it is. Back in college, I ran one of these that was pretty dang sloppy, so definitely excited to have one that's tight. And hopefully we'll get to make some cool stuff with it. So I'll probably go get the little tractor and kind of position it in this back corner here a little bit better so it's not right out in the middle. And then get cleaned up for tonight. But super excited. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all think I got as good a deal as I think I got on it. Like I said, you definitely can't pass up a $200 Bridgeport, especially considering I think the other guy bidding on it was just a scrapper. So excited to save this guy from going to get cut up. So otherwise, if you guys like what you see, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below and follow along for more. Well, I went ahead and stood the head up, got her tucked away nice and neat in the corner of the container here. I still got plenty of room to move the bed to the left and the right, front and back. The head's actually all the way back. It can come forward quite a bit, so I still got all kinds of floor space here and still able to fit my tractor in the container. So very happy, very cool. Just go and let you guys have one more little looky-loo here. Somebody comment below. I'd be very curious. How do you check the year on these? Is it stamped somewhere, or is it some correlation to the serial number? I'd love to check it out. The serial number on this guy is J-80106. See if I can get that to focus there. Yep. So it is a J-head mill. But overall, very happy, very tight. It's got the power feed and everything on the side of it. So super stoked. Like I said, if you guys like what you see, be sure to let me know. Maybe we'll come back out in some better light and play with this thing some more, but I think we're going to call it a wrap for the night. It's almost 9:30 now, so I reckon I ought to go in and at least say hi to the fiance. What a perfect fit, you guys. We got a 20-foot shipping container. We've got our B2650 Kubota with a box blade, loader bucket, and up here the light's getting a little bad, but our pallet fork sitting up in front there. Plus we have a whole freaking Bridgeport mill in the corner. How cool is that? Alright, you guys, here's a little better look at the serial number. It's 84935. I found online how to look these up, so I'll toss it on the screen what year this thing is real quick. While we're here, actually pretty cool, came with the mill, was this little toolbox that sat in front of it. Toolbox, filing cabinet, I'm not sure what you want to call it. But here, let me set this light over here maybe. Actually came with this super cool homemade collet holder that you put on the wall. Then all kinds of tooling, a bunch of stuff that doesn't even go with this mill. A whole drawer full of end mills here. And then a whole bunch of drill bits and all kinds of different tooling. Actually, some, what's that called? Morris taper lathe tooling in here as well. But yeah, all kinds of goodies. So, like I said, at the auction, this came with the toolbox and the whole mill for $200. So, I am extremely happy with how well everything turned out.